In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages and tapping on one of your chats or creating a new one. Either way, when you're ready, select this plus at the bottom left corner of chat window. And to add an audio file, hit Files. Now you need to choose audio at the top to make it easier for you to look. But you can also just click on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. After locating your file, just hold it and hit Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one though, you need to click on this icon of a camera and the photo instead. Tap on your video right away if it's recent, or select Gallery, pick it from here, and hit Add at the top right corner. You can also select Gallery, click on Folders, look for your video over here the same way as an audio file, hold it and tap on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!